I've got two Goldie Boxed Summer 2022 mystery boxes. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me right now, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I do have 3 mystery boxes. I also have this Pamper box. Pamper S23, so spring 23. These two here were 2 for $30. I don't recall if these were the ones I got or not before. I feel like I checked and I was like, nope, I'm good. Those, I didn't get that season. And then later on I was like, oh, wait a minute. I don't know, I get confused. Anyway, 2 for $30 is a great deal. It's better than your FabFitFun mystery bundles, which are 3 to 4 products for $40 now. Let's see, does this look familiar? It does. These were the ones that I got. All right, so here's what I got. And it is a duplicate. As I've said, right, if you order more than one set, you're probably going to get duplicates, and that's the case. So there is this bamboo floss. That was, I think, a bonus item from the summer. There is this Almost Famous Clean Freak scrubber in this purple, which I got before. I just got in my Hermine box, and so this third one is definitely going into a giveaway. We have this silicone cup, so now I have a set. And never upset about getting 2 of these. This is the J&L Naturals. This is the Salt Scrub in Mint. So that is box number 1. So if you like these items, jump on her site because she might still have these. This one is heavy. I think this one has a body butter in it. I think. Oh, no, candle. Yes. Okay, so in this one we have this Sunkissed Candle from Anchored Northwest. It is divine. I absolutely love this, so not at all upset about a duplicate of that. By Minimo, we have the Bounce Watermelon Eye Cream. Now, it doesn't have any scent to it, but it's a very nice eye cream. From Clip Arome, this is, you clip this onto your air shaft, and you put, there's little, it's easier for me to show you. There are these little felt discs that you put whatever kind of essential oil that you prefer on there. You put that into, yeah, that's pretty designed too, into your air vent, and as the air blows, it's going to blow the scent from your essential oil in there. And then by LSW is this journal or notebook, whatever you choose to use it for. And I actually am glad to get a second one of these because I'm going to gift this for an upcoming birthday. And the Pamper box. Ooh. All right, so right on top is this Mermaid Dreams Pink Watermelon and Apricot Soap. And look at that, you get the little mermaid tail coming out right there. Oh, broke a little bit, but that's all right, still usable. Oh, it smells so nice. This is by Tailor Made Soaps. We had a pumpkin one that was kind of similar as far as like the shape, you know, it had like that little kind of cake look on the top. By Ellison and Young are these very delicate earrings. So they're kind of big, but they're very, very delicate, very pretty. We have this Gloss Babe, and look at, there's like little sprinkles in there. So it is just a clear gloss, but It does have this kind of cakey smell, but I wouldn't exactly say like a birthday cake smell. Almost like a Fruit Loop smell. I wonder if that's what it's supposed to be, like a Fruit Loop. Definitely smells like Fruit Loops. Yeah, definitely smells like Fruit Loops. I can name that food. And by Kate and Willie is this kitchen towel, and I can see some blue writing on there. Simply whimsical. All right, and it says catch of the day, and then it's got this pretty striping and this nice little end. All right, that's an amazing box. I don't know if they're all the same, so I don't know if you order this box if you'll get the same one. It's a good chance you will, though. If you like it, I would say go for it, because I think this was a fantastic mystery box. I mean, the other two are fantastic too. I just already gotten them, but a couple of the items I'm happy to have extras of, and the others I'm happy to gift. But this was amazing. I don't recall seeing these in her store or anything, so I think you're in for a great surprise if you do that. All right, well, those are my Goldie Boxed mystery boxes. Let me know your thoughts, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.